Hey and welcome back Inspired Fashion. My name is Aniela and today we're gonna sew another scrap busting project, and it will be two cute mini wallets. It's beginner friendly and step-by-step tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's begin sewing. How to quilt fabric in quick and easy way. Lay your batting flat. Place your fabric right side up and cut all the way around, leaving some 1-2 centimeters seam allowances around the fabric. Pin with pins. And so you seam guide for even spacing. Turn and quilt across the other direction. If you want to know more how to quilt fabric, I will leave you a link in the description box. And your quilted fabric is ready to use. If your fabric needs some structure, I recommend to use fusible interfacing with glue. How to use it? It's super easy. Place the glue side to the left side of fabric and press with hot iron. Slowly, don't rush anything. Just press for a few seconds till glue will melt. And voila! Your fabric is firm, crisp and stable, as you see. For reference, you can check the fabrics without and with, soft, crunchy and with fusible. At least you can see the fabric is more firm. For this mini wallet, you need to cut only 2 pattern pieces, lining and the outer fabric. With right sides together, pin lining and the outer fabric and sew all the way around, leaving at least 4 cm gap at the hem of your small wallet. Sew 1 cm from edge and don't forget to skip the sewing gap. Now it's time to bit trim and clip on roundings with your scissors. When you do this, be very careful to not cut the seams. After we finish trimming corners, it's time to turn our mini wallet through gap, right side out. With help of pencil or other round tool, poke these corners neatly right side out. And press flat with your iron. Fold in half both flaps like is shown in video. And sew the sides and the bottom half centimeter from the edge. And our mini wallet is almost ready, as you can see. I put inside some card box to check the size, it fits everything correctly, and it fits perfect. Add only snaps or buttons and your wallet is ready. Redraw your pattern on fabric and cut 2 pattern elements, lining and outer fabric. Don't forget to redraw all markings and notches. With right sides together, pin your lining and outer fabric. And sew all the way around 1 cm from edge. Don't forget to leave 4 cm gap. Trim corners and sharp edges with your scissors. Be careful to not cut the seams. After trimming, turn your mini wallet right side out through your gap. After you finish, turn your wallet right side out. Don't forget to tuck inside through the gap the rough edges and press with iron. Now we're gonna top stitch all the way around 1/2 cm from edge. And this way you're gonna close your gap too. Okay, now we're gonna fold our wallet with left sides together in half and press. Then again fold these flaps with right sides together, press, and you see this crease. And it's your line where you're going to sew these two pieces together using straight stitch from top to the edge. Don't forget about back stitch at the beginning and end of sewing. Okay, so we have finished sewing. Now we're gonna press open these folds as I showing you. And press flat with your iron. And it's time for final step, fold in half. With help of pinhole clips, pin the sides together and sew with straight stitch 1/2 cm from the edge. Both sides pin and sew the same way. And the both sides are ready, as you can see. And your second mini wallet is almost ready. add some buttons or snaps, and your mini wallet is totally ready to use. And voila! Your mini wallets are now ready! You can now take them with you anywhere you like, or you can make this type of wallets as a gift for your friends or family. It's definitely quick and not time-absorbing project. And you don't need fancy or expensive fabric. You can use the fabric you already have in your home. And if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and see you in the next one!